Okay guys, so here's what I did. I took a plain pillow that you can get from anywhere that's about $2 to $3. I cut it in half, sewed the side together that I cut in half, put in the filling for this side, and I'm going to repeat the process with the other half of the pillow I have, so I can have two matching size pillows for throw pillows. And I also bought a pillowcase that I'm going to sew together and put them in. That way they're both matching, and I have some red beads that I'm thinking I'm going to put on here. I will let you see it when it's done. Okay, so they're done. I don't know what I think about the button yet, but I think it'll look good with this rug.